Welcome to Unboxing the Treasure Coast. My name is Pauline Crain. I'm a real estate agent with Keller of the Treasure Coast. Today I thought we'd talk about kitchens, new construction, and resale. With a large extended island, there is room for seating and plenty of gathering space around for everyone. A good example is at 12476 Southwest Sunrise Lake Terrace. It's listed and built by GHO Homes. Another example is waterfall countertop edges. A stunning quartz and waterfall edge is a show design stopper. A good example of this is the new construction at 17100 Hamilton Boulevard in Loxahatchee, Florida. It's listed by Keller Williams in Jupiter. My name is Pauline Crain. I'm a resident, homeowner, and realtor on the Treasure Coast. If you have any interest in the resale or new construction properties, please contact me. Thanks for watching.